Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to talk about cars. Also, this video was one of the first video I've ever made. I didn't know anything about video editing, but I have the footage. I'm still gonna share that with you guys. Having a bad ear day.
Nein.
Yeah?
Aber ich habe schönere.
Yeah. My way to the Nürburgring. So Schatzi, when yesterday we went there but the weather was shit. It wasn't good and they have some technical problems, so we have to make an appointment and go back today. My hair is a bit not so good because I'm gonna have to put a helmet on, so just leave it like this. So after I put the helmet on and drive, then I make my hair a bit better, you know. So for now it's trash, but still I'm gonna go to this ring and see what fun and surprises they have, yeah? I'll show you what I want. The ring, it was built in the year 1925 until 1927. It was designed by Gustav Eichler. It's also called the Green Hell. It is located in the forest in the Eifel region in Germany. And by the word hell, this is one of the most dangerous racing tracks in the world. I go do some racing, but them said the video not really allows me, just try to get a little sneak peek. Anyway, yeah.
I'm already told the people I drive careful and you drive like a pig.
It was a Formula One racing track from the year 1951 until the year 1976. The cost of building this track was 8.1 million rice mark, which would be 34.4 million US dollars. In my local currency, 5.16 billion Jamaican dollars.
Result from the race, you understand me? Nearly kill them. Isn't it? Nearly kill them. Performance around the whole of 30 seconds, around the whole of that. So you must know me at the Usain Bolt seconds, isn't it? Yeah, check it back. 55,000 euro.
50,000 around, always depending on import export.
Facebook und so.
Yes, people say 55,000 euro for one. Check. Yeah.
160, 180.
The length of the track is 16.16 miles and the height difference of the track is 290 meters. There's a total of 84 corners and also a total of 400 people lost their lives on this track. Only the outside, so later I'm going to go on the inside in the museum and I'll show you what's happening. Yeah, so these two are sold and they are going to be delivered now. Yeah, 50,000 euro for one of these. Yes, so now we are inside the museum and I'm gonna walk around and see all the different cars and the different prices, speed models and all that stuff. So, and here we have Andreas Nikolaus Lauda, popularly known as Niki Lauda, an Austrian 3-time Formula One world champion in the year 1975, 1977 and 1984. 1976, Lauda urges fellow drivers to boycott the race because of the lack of resources to properly manage such a large circuit. including lack of fire marshals, safety equipments and safety vehicles. But a majority of the drivers voted against the boycott and the race went ahead. On the 1st of August 1976, during the second lap, Lauda was in an accident where his Ferrari swerved off track, hit an embankment and burst into flames. Because of Lauda's crash and the dangerous conditions of the track, the Ring lost its Formula 1 license in 1977. Since 2002, only a very small portion of the track is in use. The length of this tiny portion is just 5.1 kilometers or 3.2 miles.
Legendary machines. So here we have some engines. I think Mercedes, yeah, Mercedes brand. Classic. These are classics. Actually, what's happening, you're seeing every movement the engine is making from first gear up to 6 and reverse. So every time you change the gear here, you get a yeah? So you know Jamaican do to fling gear in a car belly.
Gate pink? Working?
Here we have some action figures.